Yun ho bang, kaninyo 'no, yung mga nagmamaneho parang meron kang parang space na pag-aari mo, 'di ba? Huwag ka wala kang
Correct.
karapatan to conquer my space, ha. Opo, opo. Pero
Yes.
nakakadagdag ba kung may dala kang baril? Alam mo yun, feeling mo
Oh,
may baril ako,
Nakadagdag ng tapang,
ako'y,
ng
'di
sense
ba,
of ownership.
mas ako'y powerful than you are.
Mhm.
Opo, can you explain further po, Doc?
right. Okay. So ito yung number one rule natin sa mga road ragers. Yung number one rule is huwag magdala ng kahit anong weapon sa loob ng kotse, sa sasakyan. Okay? Kasi ano na nga sila may road rage na nga, so it's very tempting to use it. You know, even for yung pinakamaliit na stimulus or trigger. So it's better to drive without any weapon inside the car, sasakyan.
Better to drive without any weapon. Para po dun yan sa mga tao na alam nila sa mga sarili nila na may anger management issues, or for everyone na lang? Kasi
Yes.
sometimes hindi natin alam yung environmental factors naman na posibleng mangyari dun sa sitwasyon na mayroon o makalalagyan natin.
Well, medyo controversial 'yan, no? Kasi sometimes we need weapons to protect ourselves,
Mhm.
'di ba? Pero kung meron tayong tendency talaga, malakas yung tendency, or kahit may medium tendency to get angry more easily than others, it's safer not to bring any weapon na lang.
Oo.
Okay?
Doc,
Pero yes.
sige po, tuloy po.
Kuya Ted and DJ Chacha, before even thinking about weapons, no, bago pa magsakay, bago pa sumakay sa sasakyan, we already have to make the decision to be calm. Okay? Dapat kalmado. Dapat even entering the car or the sasakyan, dapat meron na tayong decision
Oo.
na okay, hindi ako magiging violent, aggressive, I'll keep my cool. So it starts with a decision.